Billionaires Network is all about. So we believe in connecting dots and connecting visionaries, entrepreneurs, professionals from the entire community, and we are supporting here for the Viksit Bharat because we do believe for supporting the Prime Minister's vision. So when we all come together, when all the community come together, we can support our community to grow. So this is one of the initiatives we have taken, and today we are launching Young Billionaires Network, where the next future billionaires, the next generation is definitely going to take us to the next level. Yeah, so we have the young generation with us. So we have Anusha, we have Anil Jain, we have Riddhi, and we have Siddhi. So
My name is Rakesh Swami. I am the Group President and Head Corporate Affairs, Godrej Industries Group. I am very happy to be here joining this billionaire network and the summit which is organized by Ma'am Deepika Maheshwari ji, of course. And this initiative, I think, brings together a lot of like-minded people from the SMEs, the entrepreneurs from various sectors, the expert from various sectors, and Deepika ji has done a great work by bringing all of them together to network and feel the power of this network for to become strength for each other. The way, like all of us, we know that there is a huge power in networking, but there is a huge power in kind of learning from each other experiences and talking together and collaborating together. So I really appreciate Deepika ji's initiative, and this billionaire network is kind of giving rise to a lot of opportunities to the younger generations and bringing them on the forefront in order to be real entrepreneurs. And I'm sure this will help a lot of people to be successful in life. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tasneem Sharif, co-founder for the Diplomatic Club and also a Trade Commissioner for Namibia. Today I am supporting Deepika, who is doing a wonderful job through Diplomatic Club collaboration. In Diplomatic Club, we are a single platform where we are working closely with diplomatic missions as well as corporates, where we help the corporates to grow globally without any hitches. And when I say diplomatic missions, we are closely working with all the ministries and embassies, more than 100. You can take Europe, Africa, USA, UK, Asia, every market we are covered. We invite all the entrepreneurs, MSMEs to come join the Diplomatic Club and YBN as well.
Okay, I am Suresh Lakhotia from Pune, and the organization is called Personal, that is called Aisha Group. We deal with the steel plant, and we have manufactured it in the front of India. And we have the MIG Group, which is in Pune. MIG means Mass Industry Group. They also do this all program like BizCon we did in 3 times, Pune, Hyderabad, Surat. So this Binion network also something special. We would like to support every time, and would like that this is third birthday is going to be there. So we want it should be go touch up to 100 years. That's what is my opinion. So we are the title sponsors. Thanks to the Deepika ji and the.
For more videos like this, subscribe Big TV channel.